What is first alphabet? It's A. A for apple. A for apple. Sweet, sweet apple. What is next? It's B. B for ball. B for ball. A ball. What is next? It's C. C for cat. C for cat. A cat. What is next? It's D. D for dog. D for dog. A dog. What is next? It's E. E for elephant. E for elephant. An elephant. What is next? It's F. F for fish. F for fish. A fish. What is next? It's G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Grapes. What is next? It's H. H for hat. H for hat. A hat. What is next? It's I. I for iron. I for iron. An iron. What is next? It's J. J for jug. J for jug. A jug. Next letter. It's K. K for key. K for key. A key. Next letter. It's L. L for lion. L for lion. A lion. What is next letter? It's M. M for moon. M for moon. Little moon. What is next letter? It's N. N for nest. N for nest. Bird's nest. What is next letter? It's O. O for orange. O for orange. Tasty, tasty orange. What is next? It's P. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. Yummy, yummy pineapple. What is next? It's Q. Q for quill. Q for quill. Bird's quill. What is next? It's R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Cute, cute rabbit. What is next? It's S. S for sun. S for sun. Shiny, shiny sun. What is next? It's T. T for tree. T for tree. Green, green tree. What is next? It's U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. An umbrella. What is next? It's V. V for van. V for van. Our school van. What is next? It's W. W for watch. W for watch. What is time on the watch? What is next? It's X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Patient X-ray. What is next? It's Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Yacht in the sea. What is in the last? It's Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Wow, zebra.